With the increase in chronic disorder, number of medicines have doubled since late 1980s. Humans are living more longer than they used to live. But this comes at a cost of using multiple medications to treat several chronic disorders.
These days, people often see multiple physicians for specific disorder, each prescribing something new or changing dosage, which increases the complexity for drugs acting on body.
Although there is no concrete definition for the term polypharmacy, but according to several studies and WHO, polypharmacy is defined as routinely taking a minimum of 5 medication with the possibilities this may not all be clinically necessary.
So, who are the high risk people for this?
Elderly people. With the increase in age, body tends to lose its ability and thus result in increasing number of medication required to treat those disorders. Polypharmacy is most common in elderly, affecting about 40% of older adults.
Hospitalization. Patient recently discharged from hospital tend to have multiple tablets for their speedy recovery, which may add to their older chronic disorders. Multiple pharmacies. Individuals using multiple pharmacies may be associated with safety concerns relating to potential outcomes such as medication duplication, drug-drug interactions, and adverse effects.
Polypharmacy can put patient at risk of adverse drug events and drug interaction, such as acute kidney injury, risk of cardiovascular events. Also, mismanaged polypharmacy contribute to 4% of world's total avoidable costs due to suboptimal medicine use. Ensuring medication safety in polypharmacy is one of the key challenges for medication safety today. Due to traditional focus of both medical research and healthcare delivery models on single disease-based intervention, there has been notable lack of evidence-based solution.
Medication safety should start with appropriate prescribing, and a thorough risk-benefit analysis of each medicine is often the first step. Healthcare professionals, together with patients and caregivers, play a crucial role in reporting medication-related events. Deprescribing. It is the process of tapering or stopping drugs aimed at minimizing polypharmacy and improving patient outcomes. Certain criteria described by WHO can be followed to minimize polypharmacy in elderly people.